Hey G-Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool mirror right here, and basically what this is a USB-C to USB-C cable. So you can definitely use this to actually charge up like a MacBook Pro device, especially if you guys have the MacBook Pro 16-inch. You definitely want to get the highest quality cable, which is what we have right here. Because for this cable actually supports up to 100 watts, but in order for you guys to get that 100 watts on here, you do need to actually get a wall charger that can support up to 100 watts first. But basically for this one right here, it is the Anker Powerline 3 Flow. So I'm actually opening this up first to show you guys what the product looks like inside. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you guys can see this is basically actually looks like inside. So the one that we got right here is a purple color. They do have other colors available as well, but you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you guys prefer. And they also have this in different sizes as well. So the one that I got right here is a 6 feet. They do have like a 3 feet option. So depending if you guys want a longer cable or shorter cable, that is up to you guys. But let's take it out first. Alright, so when you guys first take it out, you guys can see they provide you guys some feedback paper right here. And right here, you can see we do have the actual cable, which is USB-C to USB-C. You can see right there. But definitely once you guys take out the cable right here and feel the material on here, it feels super soft. And the cool thing about this cable right here is the fact that the way how they design it is tangle free. So you don't have to worry about the cable tangling anytime soon, which is pretty nice. And they mentioned if you guys use this cable with the correct wall charger, which can support up to 100 watts, you can definitely use this actually fast charge a MacBook Pro 16-inch in less than 30 minutes. But this is basically what the product looks like when you guys first take it out. If you can see, they provide guys this very nice little strap to actually hold it in place as well. And when you guys fully extend the cable, you can definitely see how long the cable is right here. Like I mentioned, it is a 6 feet cable. And if you guys look at this end right here, you can definitely see the logo right there. And definitely feels like a high quality material that they use on here. That's super bendable, if you guys can see. But this is basically what the product looks like when you guys first take it out. Let me actually test it out to see how it works first. Alright, so I got my cable plugged in. So on the other side, we have it plugged into a 100 watt wall charger. Let me show you guys what it actually looks like. So you can see this is basically actually looks like right here. So I do have it plugged in right there. So let's test it out and see when it actually works. So I basically want to plug it in right here. And once we plug it in, you guys can see that it is charging right here. But obviously, since my percentage is pretty high right now, it won't charge as fast. But if your battery percentage is under like 10% or 20%, basically the lower the better. You can definitely fast charge it in less than 30 minutes. And it's actually really long, so you definitely get a really long coverage on here if you guys get the 6 feet cable. If you guys get like the shorter one for the 3 feet option, it definitely works as well, but it is a little bit shorter. So what I always say is that if you guys get cables, it's better to get a longer one because you guys can always tie it back up if it's too long. But if you guys have a shorter cable, you guys will need to get a longer one in order for you guys to use it if you guys need to extend the cable longer. But you can see it definitely does work. Alright, so now that I saw a quick test, I'll probably definitely see that she does work. Actually works quite well. So obviously, in order for you guys to fast charge the device, whether it's on charge like your laptop or some other device, you basically want to make sure the battery percentage is pretty low, somewhere around like 10% or 20% or even lower. Basically, the lower the better. So that way you can actually fast charge the device. But if your percentage is above like 70% or 80%, it will not charge as fast because of the safety feature that's built into like your laptop or device to slow down the charge. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product, now to the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this cable, I definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality USB-C to USB-C cable where you guys can use it to charge like your laptop or any other device that can support USB-C. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.